Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's me, Wayne, with Kleinbell Sports Cards, coming to you with another truck rip. Figuring out the best way to do these random truck rips. So I turned it around so everyone could see my handsome face, and got 3 packs of Heritage High Number. Hoping to pull a Luis Robert, getting ready to go to work in my UPS shirt. So here we go, guys. First pack. So we got a Kelvin Herrera, a Yanger Virus Solarte. Sorry guys, trying to figure out the best way to do this. Still a Jake Marisnick, oh, we got a purple, guys. Purple. I don't know if one of these come in every pack, but it's Rich Hill. Purple, shiny, looks nice. Looks like a nice card. These were pulled out of a hobby box. Rookie Performers of Yordan. Can't go wrong with a Rookie Performers of Yordan. So that made that pack right there, guys. Patrick Wisdom. Dandy Mendick. There's an Austin Dean. Played here with the Jacksonville Jumbo Shrimp. And a Kenta Maeda. Alright, that's pack 1, guys. I bought 3 packs. I just bought 3 packs straight up and down. I didn't go across. Hopefully my chances are a little bit better at hitting something decent. We'll see. So I guess one of those purple cards come in every pack. There's a Kyle Farmer for my hometown Reds. Adolis Garcia for the Rangers. Travis d'Arnaud for them Braves. A now and then of Ronald Acuna Jr. A rookie card, Kwang Young Kim. Oops, sorry guys. I like those purple cards. Andrew Cashner. Tommy Cale. Randy Adobnik. And Julio Teheran. Alright, last pack, guys. Let's get some mojo. Looking for that Luis Robert. Julio Rodriguez. Nick Senzel for my PC. Alright, first card. Howie Kendrick. Kevin Kramer. Alex Wood. The purple shiny card is Sheldon Noose. And another Yordan. Award winners, Yordan. So that's 2 Yordans, not too bad. Tim LaCosta. Nomar Mazara. Dallas Keuchel. And John Birdie. Alright guys, that's all I got for you today in this quick truck rip of 2020 update. Appreciate everyone that views, and I will see you guys again soon.